Everyone's panicking that AI is coming for their job. They're telling you to adapt, to compete. I'm telling you they're wrong. The most valuable skill in the age of AI isn't technical, it's human. Here are 5 jobs that prove it. Number 5, skilled trades. Plumbers, electricians, carpenters. Why? Because the real world is messy and unpredictable. AI thrives on data, not dirt. It can't crawl under a house from 1920, diagnose a unique problem, and improvise a fix. That takes human hands and human problem solving. Number 4, educators. Sure, an AI can lecture you on quantum physics, but can it see the flicker of understanding in a student's eyes? Can it inspire a kid who feels lost? A real teacher doesn't just transfer information, they ignite potential. That's not a job for an algorithm. Number 3, the true creatives. Writers, artists, musicians. AI can generate a picture or a song by mashing up millions of old ones, but it's never fallen in love, never had its heart broken, never stared at the stars and felt small. Real art comes from a soul, not a server. Number 2, healthcare and mental health professionals. You cannot automate empathy. A machine can read a medical chart, but it can't read a room. It can't deliver a life-changing diagnosis with genuine compassion or build the trust needed for therapy. The core of healing is human connection. And the number 1 job AI can't replace? Event planners. Surprised? Think about it. It's pure chaos management, a perfect storm of logistics, budgets, and unpredictable human emotions. An algorithm can't calm down a stressed-out client or improvise when the caterer is an hour late. That takes a human. So what's the common thread? It's not about what we do, but how we do it. AI can replicate skills, but it can't replicate spirit. Your humanity is your job security.